Hello everyone. I'm going to promote another job order that we have in our office, and this is for a building maintenance or cleaning. So we need 3 to 5 people for this. So if you are willing to apply for this job, again, this is a building maintenance or cleaning. This is the working area for this will be in Yokohama, and there is also in Ibaraki. So we need 3 to 5 people for this job. So if you are willing to attend for our interview, we conduct a daily interview in our main office in Kanda Station. So you just comment down below if you are willing to apply for this. The basic Japanese skills for this would be basic or daily conversational Japanese, and the salary also for this would be 200,000 yen. And if you are far from our office, you can request for online interview also. You can call our office number at 036-206-8058. Again, our office number is 036-206-8058. So again, this is a building maintenance cleanings and located in Yokohama and Ibaraki. So just comment down below if you are interested to apply for this job. Thank you.